And wear shirts with ties. It's really weird. I'm way more comfortable with t-shirts. But part of the time that I spend playing drums, I come to schools just like this, and I teach my drum safari program. Do you know what a safari is? Do you know what you do on a safari?
You check for lions.
Hold on, I think I saw a hand up over here. What do you do?
No, I forgot.
You forgot, what do?
You go like on a boat or something and you look around.
You look for animals. On a safari, you look for animals. So I brought a few animal rhythms with me. And when we learn an animal rhythm, we remember it, and then in a little bit, we're going to play it on drums. Because I brought about 100 drums and a bunch of shakers for you guys to play along with, and we can have a jam. Do you guys want to play drums with me? Yeah! Okay, then let's listen very carefully. We're going to learn all of the different animal rhythms. Then we're going to pass the drums out. Then we're going to make up some rhythms of our own, and we're going to jam. Are you guys ready? Yeah! Okay, so if you were to go to Africa, what would be one of the first animals you would probably see? Because they're really, really big. They've got a big trunk. You guys are so nice raising your hands, but I want to hear you say it super loud. What do you think it is? It's an elephant. What does an elephant do with his feet? They stomp. Everybody stand up and say this really loud with me, and we're going to stomp our feet. Elephant, stop, stop. Elephant, stop, stop. Elephant, stop. I can't hear you. Elephant, stop, stop. Elephant, stop, stop. Elephant, stop, stop. Whoa, guys, you weren't listening. I played the call. What do we do when I play the call? We clap our hands all the time and we stop. Let's try it one more time. Elephant, stop, stop. Elephant, stop, stop. Elephant, stop, stop. Awesome. Have a seat very carefully. That was so good. Listen, listen, listen. Did you notice that I said hey with my voice right before I played the call?
Yeah.
Did you notice that? Do you know why I did that?
Yeah, or doesn't realize.
Just to get your attention. That's the only reason I did it. We're playing along, we're jamming. Right before I do the call, I'll go, hey! And the reason why I do it is because that's what my teacher did. And you know why he did it? Because that's what his teacher did. We're passing the information on. So as I'm teaching you, when you're done today, I would love to see if you guys could go teach someone else that rhythm. So you could pass on the information to somebody else. Maybe even one of your friends at lunch or recess or at home if you have brothers or sisters. You could try and learn some of these rhythms. You could teach these rhythms to someone that could learn them. So we've learned the elephant rhythm. Now the elephant's up way super high. If the elephant would look down on the ground, you would see a green creature with 4 legs and a big mouth. It's kind of got a smile. What do you think it is? Okay, guys, I think that you're probably old enough that I'm going to give you a little more information. This is actually not an alligator. Why isn't it an alligator? Why is it a crocodile?
Because its nose is rounded.
His nose is rounded, for sure. What else? Say super loud, honey. I can't. Exactly. Let me tell you real quick. Guess what, guys? These instruments and these animals come from Africa. Africa is very, very warm. Crocodiles require a warm climate. They require warm water, and they live in the Nile River that is warm. In Florida, we have cold water and we have alligators. That's the main reason why we decided to have a crocodile instead of an alligator with the drum safari. Now, the crocodile rhythm is super cool. It's a universal rhythm. It's one of the most important rhythms of all time. It's called clave. Clave means cornerstone or keystone. It's where the rhythm fits so perfectly together with everything that it's the most important rhythm that we all play. So we're going to try this crocodile rhythm, but first we have to make a crocodile mouth with your hands. Be careful, don't snap your neighbor. Snap your crocodile mouth shut 2 times. times. Ready, go. Snap, snap. Okay, hold on to it. Open your mouth. Smile real big like crocodile. There we go. Crocodile smiles. Snap 2 times. Ready, go. So you gotta listen for when I say ready, go. So we don't all snap at the same time. Ready? Crocodile mouth ready. It's open. Here we go. Snap 2 times. Ready, go. Snap, snap. Now the crocodile rhythm goes like this. Croc, go, die. Snap, snap. So say it with me. Here we go. Croc, go, die. Snap, snap. 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 Perfect. Great job. Let's burn through the rest of these animals super fast. The next animal goes really fast. I would love to take a ride on him. He's black and white. It's a zebra. What color are a zebra's stripes? Black and white. What color are a zebra's stripes when a zebra is a baby? Brown and white. You're exactly right. As a zebra grows up, the brown stripes turn to a beautiful black color, and it's black and white. And the zebra rhythm goes like this: zebra, black and white. Say it with me: zebra, black and white. Zebra, black and white. Zebra, black and white. Hey. Do you know why we're learning all these rhythms? Do you remember why? Because you're gonna get to play drums in a minute. So listen really close. We're almost finished. The next animal is one of my very, 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 very favorite animals, and my mother thinks that I am this animal. What do you think it is? You're exactly right. Once in a while, kids think that my mom thinks I'm a lion, and that really makes me feel good and is kind of flattering. But really, I'm more of a monkey than I am a lion. Now, what does a monkey do way up high in the trees? What does he do? They swing on the vines. So the monkey rhythm goes, monkeys, monkeys, swinging through the trees. You say it with me. Ready? Monkeys, monkeys, swinging through the trees. Monkeys, monkeys, swinging through the trees. Monkeys, monkeys, swinging through the trees. Hey, monkeys, monkeys, swinging through the trees. And man, you guys are so good. You noticed that it was a slower rhythm, so my call was slower. Did you notice that? You guys want to try a fast call? Wait. Do you guys want to try super fast? Do you think you could do super duper schmooper fast? Okay, hands together, or hands out, ready to go? You're going to clap right after I play this call, but it's going to be super duper schmooper fast. It's going to be so fast. You have to be ready. Okay, here it comes. That was it. You ready? Here it comes. You ready? Here it comes again. Hold on. I was just taking a breath. Okay, let's just go super duper fast. Let's just go super fast. Now let's go regular fast. There's one animal left. He's kind of a big deal. He's the king of the jungle. He's a lion. What does a lion do with his voice? That was like what a lion cub sounds like. What does a lion do with his voice? Awesome. Oh, that was awesome. Your hand clap just accidentally turned into a roar. It was really, really cool. So now, the lion rhythm goes like this. Lion, roar! Lion, roar! Lion, roar! Lion, roar! Cool, so this is how it's going to work. As soon as you see an animal, we're going to say the rhythm. If we get through them all and you've got it down, then I know you're going to be able to play the drums perfectly. Because once we pass the drums out, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to hold up an animal and we're all going to jam playing that rhythm together. And people in other classes, if they can hear us, they're going to think you guys are a professional drum group. They're not going to understand how you can play so well together. Cool? You guys ready? Hey, look, hey, stop, stop, important stretch we do as drummers. Now, slowly let it out. Now, wiggle it, shake it, wiggle it. Now, what's happening is you're stretching the under part of your arm right here. That's so important for playing drums. One more time, both hands up, high to the sky. Okay, down, hold that stretch. Okay, now wiggle it, shake it. Now, check it out. This drum that I'm playing is called the
Djembe!
So what is this? It's just a small djembe. So the djembe can be played by sitting on it like this, so you can get a low tone in the center, or you can just have it set up like that and play with your hands. If you have a friend that you want to try one of the larger drums and you could share it, you could do that as well. I'm just going to I'm going to teach you all these drums right now, and we'll pass them out. So listen really close so you don't miss anything. We also have a lot of shakers that are super important because the drums don't really sound good by themselves. The drums sound awesome when we have shakers with them. We also have paddle drums, and a paddle drum you hold in one hand and you play with the mallet in the other. You do not play the paddle drum as loud as you possibly can. I know sometimes we have some guys that really try and throw as hard as they can, but if they bust it, then I don't have a drum that somebody can play, you know? So try not to hit it as hard as you can. But you hold the drum, strike it with the mallet. This is just a very simple paddle drum. Over here are the exact same things. Now this is how we do it. I ask the kids to stay right where they are, and then any adults that would like to assist, you are not required to, but if you would like, if you are an adult, to help assist, we can pass the drums out. This is much safer and more efficient for getting the drums out. And kids, here's the deal. We're going to do a trade. You're going to get to try all of the instruments, but right away, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. You've got it. So we're going to pass the instruments out and then we're going to start jamming. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. As soon as you get your instrument, start making some noise. not have an instrument. And remember, take whatever is given to you, and then we're going to do a trade. All right, keep your hand up if you don't have an instrument. Here it comes. Here we go. Snap, snap, cross, go.